What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Awesome Lawson DIY with my co-host, Major Lawson. Say hi. All right, good job. All right, today we're gonna do a little home improvement project. If you can see, let's see if I can get it in view here. This is our stainless steel fridge, brand new. We definitely need to work on our cabinets. But this is the newest addition to our appliances. And when we moved into the house, we got to keep all these other appliances, which is, I guess, standard at houses. Yeah, right? But if you notice, they're all white. So I guess the easy thing would have been to do is, I guess, maybe sell this and get a white fridge, but I don't like a white. So I like stainless steel. So instead of buying new appliances for right now, since we're not really in the market to have a lot of extra money, I figured I'd try a little DIY project. I haven't seen any videos on it, but I haven't really researched, I guess, as well. So, but I figured I'd throw something up there because I haven't really been contributing to my channel as much. I got a ton of stuff I want to do, just need to find the time, right? Right. So this is what we got going on. Let me show you what we have here to transform. We're just gonna do one appliance right now, just to kind of show you guys how it works or how it can work. But we're gonna do the dishwasher. So let me show you guys real quick. So right here is a roll of stainless steel peel and stick. Doesn't seem like, it's pretty heavy duty, I guess, but it looks pretty easy. Some of the tools I got here are just like some squeegee that like I got out of a kit for doing, what do you call it? Tint on your windows. So I'm gonna give these a try, trying to help me kind of just squeegee out some of the air bubbles. They even said you can just use like a pin to kind of just, you know, poke a hole and squeeze out any of the air bubbles. Kind of standard stuff you do when you got decals. So pretty much just look at it as like a big decal. So we're gonna jump into it right now and let's see how it goes. All right.
This is Phase Ed Music.
All right, YouTube, so this was the first pass. I think it took me, I don't even know, probably like 20 minutes. So a ton of bubbles over everything. And then the logo part is just really tough. But it says in the instructions, basically like a decal, you can just like poke some holes in the pins, like with a pin, poke some holes in the air bubbles and then just kind of squeeze them out. At least the alignment is not too bad, like on the sides and stuff. This I kind of have a little extra, which is fine. I think what I might do is, since it's pretty durable, is just kind of like peel off the corner here and just kind of just take the edge again and just try to work some of these air bubbles out. This is the part that's gonna be tough. I just gotta be really finesse trying to work this piece behind the logo and then try to work out this air bubble right here. But yeah, it's a little bit tough. I'm gonna cut this down and then form it in there somehow. It tells you like how to do corners and round edges and stuff like that. This is kind of not really in the same situation, but I'm pretty sure I can probably maybe cut a slit here and then maybe make some cuts right here and just kind of, it's not gonna be perfect, but I think I'm just gonna keep going with it and then we'll finally get back to the end result. All right, let's get back into it. definitely a lot better. I'm just not liking the handle part. It's kind of hard. To really try to get those bends and curves in here is like the hardest part. Like this part's not too bad. I try to start cutting it sections by sections because we're just getting a lot of air bubbles and you got to overlap. I don't know. I think I might just leave that open or try something different, but I don't know. I don't like the way that looks. Because even when you back up, it just doesn't look right. So yeah, I don't know, but not too bad. This is the only part that I struggle with. You can see that pretty clearly. There's some air bubbles there, kind of ripped. A little tough right there, but overall not too bad. You can definitely see the air bubbles. Yeah, definitely have to take your time and work it and work it and work it. But it is possible. It's not bad looking. I'll keep going, to be honest with you, because, you know, hey, instead of buying new appliances that'll cost $3,000, this literally costs like 20 bucks. I don't know. I think it's something to get you by maybe if you're interested. If not, then yeah, just go buy new appliances. So I don't know. But anyways, I just want to kind of show you guys what it looks like when you try to attempt to maybe put some stainless steel type peel and stick on your appliances. So, all right, guys. See you again. Peace.